Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO client from the Mandalorian Season 1. So without any further ado, let us begin. The legs for this minifigure come from the First Order TIE Pilot. I used the waist cape from the ARC Trooper minifigure, but this is optional. The torso comes from the Yavin 4 Han Solo, and I swapped on some black arms. Finally, the head and the hair come from this minifigure from episode 9. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building yours. Even though it's a bit of an odd character, I still really enjoyed making this minifigure. It was inspired by several other people on Instagram, and I think it's turned out okay. If you have any minifigure ideas, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe if you aren't already. If you would like to watch any more of my content, feel free to click on the end cards, which should be in front of you now. For example, my weapons tutorial is always a good one to go and visit.